Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how to move the short description of the product into the tabs with the detailed description. For this, go to Appearance Theme File Editor and in the function.php file, open the function.php file and paste the following code. Here you can see this code. Simply copy it and paste it on your site. This will move the short description under the title into the product tabs with the product detail description. Here you can see this code. You can simply copy it and paste it on your site. Then update the file. Then if I refresh the page, here you can see under the price the short description is hidden and in the tabs short description tab is showing. This is the code. This will add the short description into the product tabs with your detailed description. Here you can see this short description tab is added. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my YouTube channel.